Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to continue with the Upwork series, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to start a business in 2020 in 3 simple steps with zero money. Let's jump right into it.
Yeah, doubt myself, and I'm too proud to ask for help. When you see me beside myself, I don't have to explain it, baby. Yeah, I'm all for picking fights and trying to mend it with the hype. Don't wanna know that I'm not.
So as you guys can see, I have a partnership with Red Bull because I want to be fired up for these videos. So make sure you buy Red Bull and use my checkout code, okay? I'm joking, I don't, I just like Red Bull. So what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to start a business in 3 simple steps, okay? So we're going to go past the fluff and straight into business, right? What I hate...
How about partnership with tomato ketchup?
No, I'm not going to do that,
No,
man.
bro, it's okay. Look.
No.
Bro, it looks nice, man. Look.
That does not correlate with my brand.
Bro, it's so good. Look, it looks good on you.
No, put that away. Put that away. We're going to do that. Okay?
Okay, just Red Bull.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, learn a skill, a high income skill. Obviously in our niche is going to be Facebook ads, which you can easily learn off YouTube. On my YouTube channel, there's 100 other YouTube channels where you can learn Facebook ads step by step. You don't need thousands of dollars to buy a course. You don't need thousands of dollars to get coaching. You need to learn it on YouTube step by step for free. Okay, that's what I did. Social media management or building profiles on Instagram and Facebook. Again, you can learn it on my YouTube channel, or you can learn it on other YouTube channels step by step for free. Or you can also learn Amazon FBA, which is what I teach on my YouTube channel. And I'm telling you, okay, I'm not biased, it's probably the best content out there because I show you step by step without the fluff. So you can learn that on YouTube, on my channel, and actually become an expert, position yourself as an expert and sell that service. So step number 1 was to learn as a skill. Step number 2 is foundations, which is basically getting approved on Upwork or getting approved on other freelancing sites where you can sell your service, where you can sell your high income skill like Facebook ads, social media, Amazon FBA, right? So you gotta get verified on those freelancing sites like Upwork, which is what I use to get all my clients. And then you also need to build a team. So build a team of freelancers so that you can, so they can help you with the work, with the actual, service that you're gonna provide to clients. You also need to make sure that you become efficient in talking and communicating, in the way you speak. Make sure you talk confidently. So you're gonna learn a bit of sales. So again, watch my YouTube channel. I upload a lot of sales videos that I have, sales calls with my clients, okay? That's one of the majorly important skill to learn, sales. Again, you can watch YouTube channels like Grant Cardone, Jordan Belfort, again, to learn the foundations and the fundamentals of sales. You don't need to be an expert like Grant Cardone or anything like that. You just need to know how to communicate effectively with clients, and again, you can learn that on my YouTube channel. So you need to make sure your foundations are down, and obviously within those foundations, you need to have a good profile and everything like that on Upwork, but I talk about that in my YouTube channel in other videos in a lot more detail, okay? So the foundations, getting approved on a freelancing site, learning sales, okay, so you can sell it to your clients, right? Making sure they have a good position, good freelancer profile on these freelancing sites. You can actually sell your service effectively and get paid. Final step is going to be getting clients, right? So within that step, you need to make sure that you get clients. So you need to be good at sales. So you close them on the call. You need to keep clients, which means you need to have a good service, a good system, a good team of professionals, of experts within Facebook ads, within social media management, within Amazon FBA, so you can actually get clients, keep clients, provide great value, so you can have lifetime clients, okay? So you can keep them forever and not just 1 month. You also need to make sure that you have everything systematized within your service-based business, so that onboarding is systematized, getting paid from your clients is systematized, getting your team, teaching your team, everything is systematized, so you don't have to do the same thing over and over again, okay? So, that was a very summarized version of how to start a business in 2020 with 0 to no money. And the amazing thing with this business model compared to other business models, for example, Amazon FBA or dropshipping or anything like that, you don't need any initial investment. You just need time, effort, and energy, which is, to be honest, energy and effort are limitless things out there that you can attain, right? Obviously, time is limited, but the only thing you need to start a service-based business on Upwork or on other freelancing sites is energy, effort, and time. You don't need any capital investment at the beginning. And obviously, once you start off on Upwork, you want to make sure that you have a good profile, that you invest in a good photo, that you invest in a good freelancer, that you invest in some good coaching. That comes after a while, though. You don't need any money to start off. If we were to compare, let's say, running a freelancing service-based business compared to Amazon FBA, in this situation, you don't need any money to start off with. For example, with Amazon FBA, you need at least £3,000 to £5,000 just to get your initial inventory, okay? And when I started off, it was really difficult for me to get that £3,000 to £5,000, and that's why I struggled, because I should have started a service-based business because it required no money. And even dropshipping, you need a little bit of money to set up your website, and to run the ads. You need money for the budget, for the ads budget. You need to maybe hire someone. But in this situation, when you're running a freelancing service-based business, you don't need any capital investment. You don't need a website. You don't need anything that requires money. You just need to make sure your profile looks good and you're actually verified at these sites. And then you learn a few skills such as sales and everything else that I mentioned previously. Okay, so 2020 should be the year that you should make no excuses on starting a business. Okay, so you shouldn't just, be running around after one shiny object to another. Just follow these 3 simple steps, get verified on a freelancing site, learn a high income skill, and build a team that you can outsource the work so you can only focus on getting more clients and building your business or building your agency or your freelancing business. Whatever you want to call it, it requires no capital investment, okay? So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Make sure you comment if you have any questions, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you put the notification bell on so that you can continue watching the Upwork series, where I'll be showing you guys how to get more clients, how to keep more clients, and how to make money. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.